I picked this up on the side of the road a few months ago. Somebody was cutting down the big trees, and at that time I didn't know what I was going to do with it. I just picked it up thinking that I can make something out of it instead of let it go to the waste. Here's I had in mind, what I have in mind. I went and picked up some cheap caster from your local hardware store, the cheap kind, the one that starts with an H. These cost me like less than $2. I mean, the whole set with tax is like 7 something. And you can just put it on, flip it over, and you can turn it into something like this. You can use it as a, maybe as a, I need to clean those up, but you can use it as a stool to sit on it. Or you can put something on it to make it like a decor. Or put like a pot of flowers on it, and I'll show you. And here's the big one. That can be like a little table or something that you can put something on. The whole reason putting the casters on there is to set it off the ground so it doesn't rot out. And second of all, it's easy to move. This thing quite heavy, so if you don't have wheels, to lock this thing around is a pain in the butt. I'm still thinking how to protect the bark and the finish. I think I'm going to use some kind of polyurethane to seal it. I just went back and grabbed some plant I have and put it up, and actually it works very well with the plant that normally hangs, so that like the leaf that drip over, and this pedestal really help them, stands up. Too bad I don't have anything that's blooming it now, and that when that bloom, that used to be that thing bloom, they used to be all yellow and red, and it'll look a lot better. But right now just plain just all foliage. That's pretty much it. Actually, that works pretty good with the roses. I mean, when this thing grows, it's almost like it was droop over, and it should look very good with this pedestal on here. And there's it's overall how it looks in front of my garage.